Hey everyone, welcome back to Anoop's Life. And today we are starting a brand new walking series here in Europe, exploring beautiful places one step at a time. Right now, we are in Karlštejn, a small village near Prague in the Czech Republic, and today we are walking all the way from Karlštejn Railway Station to the legendary Karlštejn Castle. This castle is one of the most iconic places in Czechia, and honestly, the journey to reach it is just as beautiful as the destination itself. So, if you love travel, walking tours, hidden European gems, castles, nature, and peaceful cinematic vibes, this series is definitely for you. Let's start the walk. One thing I really love about living in Prague is that within 1 hour you can completely escape the city and enter places like this. The atmosphere here feels calm, fresh, and almost unreal. As soon as you leave the station, you immediately notice how peaceful everything becomes. Small houses, green hills, flowing river, fresh air, and somewhere above all these trees is the castle waiting for us. And honestly, this is what I love most about Europe. Even simple walks feel cinematic. You don't always need big plans or expensive trips. Sometimes a train ride and a peaceful walk become the best memories. Now we are entering the main walking street leading toward the castle. This part is full of little cafes, local shops, souvenirs, Czech snacks, and honestly, the energy here feels really alive. You see travelers from different countries, people hiking up, families enjoying the weather, photographers trying to capture the perfect angle, and everywhere you look, there's another beautiful view. What makes Karlstejn special is that it doesn't feel overly modernized. It still keeps its old European soul. The stone roads, the buildings, the colors, the tiny details, everything here adds to the experience. And the higher we walk, the more beautiful the scenery becomes. Look at that. It literally feels like something straight out of a fantasy movie. The towers, the forest surrounding it, the medieval architecture. It's hard to believe this place was built almost 700 years ago. Now, the real uphill walk starts. You definitely feel it in your legs a little, but honestly, the views make it completely worth it. This is one of those places where you don't want to rush. Every few minutes, you just stop walking for a second and look around. The forest, the rooftops below, the castle towers above, birds flying around. It feels peaceful in a very different way. And this is exactly why I wanted to start this walking series on Anoop's life. Karlštejn Castle was founded in 1348 by Emperor Charles IV and was mainly used to protect royal treasures and crown jewels of the Holy Roman Empire. And even today, it still carries that royal and powerful feeling. And finally, we made it to the top. Look at this view. This is honestly one of the most beautiful castle locations near Prague. From up here, you can see the entire valley, forests, village roads, and rolling hills surrounding Karlstejn. And standing this close to the castle, you really start appreciating the scale and detail of the architecture. The Gothic design, the towers, the stone textures, everything feels grand and timeless. This is one of those places where the camera captures only half the beauty. In real life, it feels even more magical. make sure you subscribe and join this journey. Because this channel is not just about destinations, it's about exploring life, one place at a time. Thank you for walking with me today, and I'll see you in the next adventure.